I individualize this work for everybody that I interact with. It's not a one size fits all. It's not like, many physicians can look up a PDR, a physician's desk reference, and look up a dose of a drug and give it to a patient and be done. That's not how I work. That's not how this work happens. You have to assess people differently. You have to know how to monitor them, and you have to meet them where they are. And you have to make a determination, what does this client need before he or she gets stressed? The answer to your question is, you do all parts of the model. You make sure their foundational care is optimized. Are their hormones in balance? Specifically thyroid and adrenal function? Is their nutrition optimized? Do they have a plan for detoxification? Everybody can benefit from oxygen therapies. Again, we get into trouble with COVID-19 because our oxygen levels aren't high enough or aren't adequate enough. So oxygen therapies have direct ramifications for them. And then once they're on the mend, then introducing appropriate challenge therapies is the key to optimizing our stress response and making us better able to meet the COVID-19s of the future. Some of those stresses in the future that will come our way, we're going to know. Others are completely unknown. But what each of us can control is we can make our body, we can do two things with our body. We can make it inhospitable to the next COVID-19, and we can do something else. We can enhance our resiliency and our adaptability so that we trust our physiology. I'm not fearful of COVID-19. I believe in my program and my work where we can get to the point where we handle things with more grace and more effectiveness. And that's what I'm talking about.